Stop recording. Camera. Stop recording. Button.
Southwestern Texas County until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
Wait, another yes. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas, Texas, and Wright. And this new EAS, I bet it's a flood warning. Because if it's another severe thunderstorm, I'm going to flip. And of course, thank goodness. We have two severe thunderstorms.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
I was getting ready to make a video on the one in Wright County. I mean, not Wright, Douglas, Texas, and Wright. But then, no. I just had to catch another east. Making me work. Oh my god. I'm in the middle of trying to do something, guys, so I'm kind of irritated.
Stop recording.
For the following counties in Missouri, Stone and Taney. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County, southeastern Wright County, southwestern Texas County until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mountain Grove, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain Grove, Kabul, Vermont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Douglas, Texas, and Wright.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Tennessee County.
Stop